Hi guys! Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious marinated tomato salad. Once you try it, you will want to make it over and over again. My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video. For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of cherry tomatoes. Cut each tomato in half. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Chop parsley and cilantro or your favorite herbs. Press 3 garlic cloves. Shred a little bit of lemon zest over the salad. Squeeze juice from 1 small lemon. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together. Cover it and let it sit on your countertop for 3 hours and periodically mix it. Then put it into the refrigerator overnight. Oh, it smells so delicious. You can enjoy this salad for several days if it lasts that long, because it's so good. If you enjoy this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.